What's up, guys? So this is Devin Duritu, and today I'll just be mentioning a bit about MySQL store procedures and also how to perform an inner join on a table so that you can be able to query and be able to get data from multiple tables using the inner join. So this is a college DB I have designed. I've designed the schema, so we have you can see on the left side, you can see there's the course, department, employee, faculty, lecturer, student, university. Then there's a store procedure. So I've created a store procedure. I call it select course and faculty. And so basically we're just selecting all from courses. You're going to inner join for faculty, and you're going, and remember, we just pull up I'll pull up an image that I made displaying the relationships of the tables. Should be popping up on the screen, but there's a relationship between the course and the faculty. So we have a situation where faculty contains a course belongs to a faculty, so that's the relationship, and the course ID is there in the faculty, and the course number is there on the table's course. So faculty has the column name course ID, which shares the course number in the course table. So this is the query. This is the store procedure. When you call it, this is how you call a store procedure. So you select call. Let me just select it again. It will yield the course number, course name, faculty number, faculty name, and course ID. And yeah, man. So that's how to perform an inner join. I've worked on it a few times, and yeah, it's awesome. And hopefully I'll be dropping a couple of videos of this nature. So stay safe, people.